Welcome to HP's Wolf Security Controller, the central hub for command and control of all SureClick Enterprises applications. The Wolf Security Controller can be hosted in the cloud or on-prem based on your needs. User authentication is required to log into the system and can be set up in a few days depending on the security needs of your organization. Once authenticated, you land on the Device Security Dashboard, which is the operational hub of the platform. The dashboard's UI uses visuals to bring the key action points to your attention, so critical information stands out so you can take action immediately. From here, you can instantly learn how to remediate issues, check to see if you are on the current version, get details of malware, and more. For ease of use, all information captured by HP security software, for example, configuration changes, policy issues, malware detected, etc., become easily visible here. From the dashboard, you can also monitor and configure device groups, a key control component of the solution. Device groups allow admins to group machines together based on organization structure, for example, departments, job function, or use cases. Configuration policies can easily be applied to these groups. To configure policies for device groups, click on the Configurations tab, then click Policies. In the Policies view, you can quickly see all of the current configurations and their associated device groups. To edit the policies in an existing device group, or to create a new device group, click on the Add Policy button. From the Create Policy view, administrators can configure the set of policies they need from the UI in minutes. The Wolf Security Dashboard also gives reports on malware and threats to provide actionable insights. From the Malware view, admins can quickly see all the threats that have been reported with SureClick Enterprise. The controller is connected to HP's cloud service system, which takes all the data compiled by millions of endpoints and third-party systems and applies the aggregated information to your system's alerts. Potential threats are highlighted in red and given labels such as FP for false positives or TP for true positives to show an identified and prevented cyber attack. The controller saves administrators time and energy by pulling the most urgent information out of your system's security data and presenting it with detailed, actionable information so administrators can act confidently with the latest information on any given threat. Quickly get a view of your organization's security data through threat reports. Easily create your reports to highlight the date range that's most important to you. For example, create reports based on specific timetables to show the ratio between true and false positives detected. And this is a big one. Show how many threats went undetected by traditional security products that Wolf Security Solutions prevented from infecting your devices. Reporting is pre-built to show malware by family and is broken up into downloaders, payloads, and types. The malware data is mapped onto the MITRE ATT&CK framework, showing the techniques and tactics of the malware, what could have been potentially compromised, and options for remediation. This shows possible ingress trends over the selected time period, places you can bolster your security. All report data will be visually displayed so critical information can be seen at a glance. Data can also be easily exported. The Wolf Security Controller provides efficient aggregation of security reporting by connecting to your organization's Security Event and Incident Manager, SIEM. Configure the flow of data by the Settings tab. HP provides APIs to all customers and partners to allow administrators to connect to the system of their choice or take advantage of the pre-configured API with Splunk. For more information on HP's Wolf Security Controller, check out our resources in the links below, which can all be found at hp.com/securitycenter.